السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي. Welcome back, dear brothers and sisters. Welcome you all to Medina Book 3. Inshallah, we'll be doing class 23 today. So, taking our lesson forward, where we are learning about concepts of lessons 5, which is Ism Fa'il, Ism Maf'ul, and we're learning about Majhul, because Majhul and Ism Maf'ul are, in the way you can say, it's connected, because only Majhul Fa'ils can have Maf'ulun, Ism Maf'ul. So we did Salim, and in the lesson number 5, we're doing about Ajwaf, Naqis, Muda'af, and Mahmud. We're going to do now the Ism Maf'ul. We did Ism Fa'il in the previous class from the Naqis, Ajwaf, and Muda'af and Mahmud. So we're going to do the Ism Maf'ul today. So here Dr. Abdul Rahim says تعمل مثال للاسم المفعول المصوغ من الفعل الأجوف والواوي ثم أكمل ناقص. So we have to make from this fa'al, so we have to make Ism Maf'ul, so which is coming from the Ajwaf al-Wawi. So we know Ism Maf'ul can only be made from transitive verbs. Non-transitive verbs cannot have Ism Maf'ul, and they cannot be made into Majhul as well. So we have here Qila, so which comes from the fa'al Qala Yaqulu. So it's Ajwaf al-Wawi. You can see the Waw in Mudari'. And how do we make the Ism Maf'ul? It will be Maqulun. So if you see here, this is not on the pattern of Maf'ulun. So originally it is Maqulun. So for the phonetics reason, what happens, one of the Waw is dropped and the vowel sign from the weak letter is passed on to the next letter here. So we have Maqulun. So as long as we know that this is the altered form and this is the original form, then we should be in the right track. So Zira. So again, Zira, if you see, this is the Majhul form. So we know the Ajwaf, they have the Majhul form, the Fila. The normal in the Salim for no fa'ils, we know it is Fu'ila, but whereas in Majhul for Ajwaf al-Wawi and al-Ya'i, both the one, they have the same form, which is the Fila, which is in here in this Zara. It comes from Zara Yazuru, and Majhul is Zira. And how do we have the Ism Maf'ul? It will be Mazurun. So we have Mazurun. So we know Mazurun, it's an altered form for ease of pronunciation, whereas originally it was Asluhu Mazurun. Maf'ulun, that's the pattern, Maf'ulun. So but for the repetition of the weak letter and the vowel sign from the weak letter, it's dropped. So Lima, he was blamed. So Lama, Yalumu, so he blamed. So Malumun is blameworthy. Malumun. So we know Malumun, it's an altered form. So originally it is Malwumun. Malwumun. So this is from Ajwaf al-Wawi. So if we take Ajwaf al-Ya'i, so if you take the verb Bi'a, so we know Bi'a, so if you make it Ajwaf, it will be Ba'a Yabi'u. Ba'a Yabi'u. And how will we make the Ism Maf'ul? So in the Ism Maf'ul form, it will be Mabi'un. Mabi'un. So why do we get Kasra here? Let's go to the original form. It should have been Mabuyu'un. Mabuyu'un. So again, because here the weak letter is dropped here. Wow. And because we have Ya, we know Ya and Dhamma cannot go together. So what happens here? This Ya gives kasra to the word before, and Ya itself gets sukoon. So you get Mabi'un. Mabi'un. So originally it is Mabuyu'un. So Kila, which comes from Kala Yakilu. So it's Makilun. Makilun. But originally it was Makyulun, which is Mafu'ulun, but it is altered and it's changed to Makilun. So Zida comes from the fa'al Zada Yazidu. So he increased. So mazidun, the thing which is increased. So mazid. So this is the word which is used, but originally it was mazyudun, just changed to mazidun. So this is the examples of ajwaf al-ya'i. So as long as we remember the patterns and how it is made and why it is made, so it will make us understand better, inshallah. So تعمل المثال للاسم المفعول المصوغ من الفعل الناقص الواوي ثم أكمل ناقص. So we're going to make from naqis now. Naqis is the lam kalima is weak. So either it will have ya or wow. So let's take some examples. So we make the ism maf'ul. So masugh means to make. Min al maf'ul naqis. Min al naqis. So du'iya. So du'iya is a majhul form, which is a fu'ila. So we know naqis, what happens is because of kasra, the ya becomes visible. So this comes from da'a, both. This is naqis al-wawi, comes from da'a yadu'u. Da'a yadu'u. So even though it is wow, because of the kasra in the majhul form, and it changes into ya. It's just to remind ourselves as we go along. So we keep going back and forth, so we have a good memory. So how do we make ism maf'ul from this verb? It will be madu'uvun. Madu'uvun. So if you see here, the waw has shadda. Why does it have shadda? Because if we see the originally madu'uvun, so waw, if there are signs are repeated, so what happens? So one of the waw will lose vowel sign and it gets assimilated. So it's still the same thing. There's not much change. It's just that there's assimilation of the letters here. Madu'uvun. Tuliya comes from tala yatlu, and ism maf'ul will be matulun. Matulun. So originally is also matulun, but we just give shadda here. Rujiya, it comes from raja yarju. So marjuvun. Marjuvun. So originally it is marjuvun. So this is from the naqis al-wawi. So we're going to practice تعمد المثال الأسماء المصوغ من الفعل الناقص اليائي. So ناقص الياء ثم أكمل ناقص. So yeah, so buniya. So we know bana comes from bana yabni. So whenever there's alif maksura, we can know that it is a ya, and if it is alif mamduda, it will be wow. So here it will be ya. So in both naqis form, in majhul, they will have the pattern of the ya becomes visible. So how do we make ism maf'ul, the thing which is built, is mabniyun. So mabniyun. But here if you see, the things are slightly different here, because it will be mabnuun originally. So what happens, this waw is dropped because waw and ya does not go together, and we get the kasra because of ya on the noon, and becomes mabniyun. So quliya, which is means fried, it was fried, it comes from qala yaqli, the thing which is fried, is called maqliyun. It's a the thing which is fried, maqliyun. So originally it was maqluyun. So as long as we understand this, how it is used and how it was originally. Shuwiya, which is means grilled. So shawa yashwi comes from the word shawa yashwi, and ism maf'ul will be mashwiyun. So mashwiyun, originally it was mashwuyun. Kuwiya, it was iron. So it comes from kawa yakwi. So how do we say ism maf'ul will be makwiyun? So originally it was makwuyun. So now Dr. Abdurrahim asks us to means form asma al-maf'ulaini min al-af'al al-atiyati. So make the ism maf'ul from the following fi'ls, verbs. Wazkur naw'a kulli fi'l minha al-nawhi al-ati. So you have to mention about what type from each of the fi'l is following. So we need to have fi'l, so what type it is, and ism maf'ul, how it is formed and used and what is the original. So if we take shuwiya, so we know shuwiya, it comes from naqis, shawa yashwi, naqis al-ya'i. So the type is naqis al-ya'i, and ism maf'ul masugh minhu. How do we make it? Will be the naqis will have shadda at the end. So that's the pattern which is used in ism maf'ul. It will be mashwiyun, mashwiyun, and the original it will be mashwuyun. So these are the things which we have to mention here. So if you say kutiba, so kutiba is what is the type? So there is no weak letter, there is no hamza, there is no wawya. So it is a salim, salim. So type what we will say it is salim. And what will be the ism maf'ul? It will be pattern of normal. Maf'ul will be maktubun, and originally it is maktubun. So if you say ukhiza, it was taken. So if you see ukhiza, you will see hamza. So what position do we see hamza here? In the fa kalima. So any fa'al with hamza, it's called mahmuz, the one which has hamza. So mahmuz, and what letter does it have? On the fa kalima. So it's a mahmuz al-fa'i. So how do we make ism maf'ul? On the pattern of maf'ulun, ma'khuzun, ma'khuzun, the thing which is taken. So on the original it's also same. So some bring more example. Su'ila. So if you see the hamza is in the ain kalima, so it will be mahmuz al-aini. And the ism maf'ul will be same thing, mas'ulun. So we just need to see how the hamza is written. But because of dhamma, it gets a kursi of wow. And original is also mas'ulun. Quri'a. So quri'a, so hamza is coming in the lam kalima, so it's mahmuz al-lami. Quri'a. So again, see how the hamza is written. It is written outside ya. That is the spelling rule here. Maqru'un. Maqru'un, a thing which is read. So originally it is maqru'un. So sometimes the hamza is written on its own, and when it comes in between, so we need to have a chair. Surra. Surra. See, it's mudawwaf. Come from sarra. So he was pleased. Muda'af. So where the ain kalima and lam kalima are similar and they get shadda. So muda'af. So masrurun. So it will be a ism maf'ul, and original is also it is masrurun. Wozina. So wozina. So we see weak letter coming at the front. So it is what we call al-mithal al-wawi. Mithal al-wawi. So how do we make ism maf'ul? Maf'ulun will be mawzunun. So no changes. Mawzunun. The original is also same. Sina. Sina, it comes from, it's a new fa'al. Sana yasunu. Sana yasunu. This word, which means hafiza. So he protected. So it's the same meaning. Sina, it was protected. So here it is, we see it is ajwaf al-wawi. Ajwaf al-wawi. And say maswunun. Originally it was maswunun. So what happens here? Masunun. It's a maf'ul, and originally was maswunun. Nusiya. It's forgot. An-naqis al-ya'i. And I say, we know with the naqis you get shadda at the end, if you remember. So it will be mansiyun. Mansiyun. And originally it was mansuyun. So this is some practice. So now Dr. Adrin says, Istakhrij min ad-dars asma al-fa'ilayni wal-maf'ulayni. So istakhrij means to bring out, to take out. So we know this form 10. What type of file is istakhraja? From form 10. Min ad-dars, from the lesson asma'ul, al-fa'ilayni. So this is a maf'ulun bihi for istakhrij. Asma'a, it's the plural for ism. And mudaf and al-fa'ilayni is your mudaf ilayhi, wal maf'ulayni is your ataf, and it is ma'tufun ala. So yeah, from the lesson we have to take it ism fa'il and ism maf'ul. Waskur asl kull wahid minha wal fa'il allazi ishtaqqa minhu. So the mention the original form for each of them from which is derived from wa naw'u hadha al-fa'al ala an-naw' al-tali, and also the type from this, which type of the fa'il it is. So obviously to do this exercise we have to go to our lesson now. So let's go to our lesson number 5, Ad-Darsul Khamisa. So as we go along the lesson, we will identify which is the ism fa'il, ism maf'ul, and discuss what type of pattern, what is the original, inshallah. So في مكتب مدير معهد اللغة العربية. So what does it say here? في مكتب مدير معهد اللغة العربية. In the office of the head teacher of the Institute of the Arabic language. So here, fi is your harf jar, maktabi ism majroor, mudiri is your mudaf ilayhi, maktabi is ism majroor wa huwa mudaf, and mudiri mudaf ilayhi wa huwa mudaf, and ma'ahdi is mudaf ilayhi wa huwa mudaf, and al-lughati is your mudaf ilayhi, and al-arbiyati is your naat. So if you see the same i'rab, the following, so it's a naat man'ud. So we have all mudaf ilayhi, and at the end you get naat. So in the office of the head teacher of the Institute of Arabic Language. Yusma'u tarqud al-bab. So yusma'u. So it is a yuf'alu. So what is it? It is a majhul form. It is heard. So what are we looking when in the majhul? Do we have fa'il or naib fa'il? So we have naib fa'il. So naib fa'il will be marfu. So what do we have marfu here? Tarqud. Tarqud means knock. So the knock is heard al-bab. So upon the door. So then somebody has knocked the door. That's what it means. Yusma'u tarqud al-bab. So knock is heard at the door. And al-mudir says, so describing the scenario here. Udkhul. So a mudir. So we say here mudir. So we know this is coming. It is ism fa'il because it's coming from mu and it's got kasra. So, but this is coming from mazid fihi. Whenever there is mu, so we should immediately realize that it is coming from the mazid fihi form. So it will be from form 3. So udkhul. So here he is telling taqdiruhu anta. So the person in front of you. So he says enter. As a ism fa'il from mazid fihi. Yadkhulu shabun wa yusallimu. So here it's giving a scenario. Yadkhulu, he enters. Who is entering? So it's a normal dakhala yadkhulu. And who's the fa'il here? Shabun. So what is shabun? So we see here, what type of word is this? This is a ism fa'il from muda'af. And the word is shabba. Shabba. Here it means a young fellow. So young person. So originally it is fa'ilun. So shabibun. And because there is a repetition, so what happens here? The one of the letters loses the vowel sign and it gets shadda. It becomes shabun. So the young person enters and wa yusallimu. Yusallimu means he says assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. And he gives salam. And the mudir says wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Talibun jadidun anta. Talibun jadidun anta. So it's from the book 1. So we know is here harful istifham. Talibun. So what is talibun? It is fa'ilun. Ism fa'il. Talaba yatlubu. Jadidun is your naat. Are you a new student? He's asking the young person. It's a ashab. So ism fa'il here. La. It says la. So whenever we know this harful istifham so we need to begin the answer with naam or la. This is la. Ana za'irun. So what is za'irun? It is ism fa'il. What is the verb? Zara yazuru. The one who is a visitor is called za'irun. No, I am a visitor. So Mudir says, Ahlan wa sahlan. Ijlis. Welcome. Ijlis is a fa'il amr. Come from jalasa. Ijlisu. Min aina anta. Again, book 1. So from where are you? Where are you from? So the shab says, Ji'tu hajjan. See? Ji'tu. Ja'a yaji'u. So ji'tu means I came. Hajjan. So as what? I came as a pilgrim. So hajjan is your ism fa'il here. But here Why does it have got fatha here? Because it's coming as a maf'ulun bihi. It's not maf'ulun bihi, it's condition, it's hal. Because I came in what condition? So we know hal is mansoob. So here he's telling on what condition he came. He says hajjan. So what is the origin? It is hajijun is your asluhu. It comes from muda'af. So because there is two same letters, so it gets assimilated and it becomes hajjun, and mansoob will be hajjan. So here it is a hal. I came in the condition of being a pilgrim. Faghtanamtu. So it's fa is your ataf coming for a reason. So I came as a hajjan, therefore fa. So what is this verb? Ightanamtu, it comes from ightanama. So it's ifta'ala. So which form is it? It is form 8. Form 8, ifta'ala. So what does it mean? Ightanama, it means to seize. So here it means I seized. Faghtanamtu. So I came as a pilgrim. Therefore, I seized. What is he seized? We're looking for maf'ulun bihi. Hadihi. Hadihi is your maf'ulun bihi. Al-fursata. We know the word come after hadihi. Ismul ishara. Followed by al is badal. That's why it will have same i'rab. So al-fursata. So I seized this opportunity. Fursata. So I seized this time, or I seized this opportunity. Li ziyarati, to visit. Come from zara yazuru. Ziyaratun is your masdar. So to visit or to visiting. Ma'ahadikum mashahir. So here if you have to see ma'ahadi is your mudaf, kum is a mudaf ilayhi, and ash-shahir is coming as a naat for ma'ahadi. So we know mudaf ilayhi cannot be separated. Any naat has to come afterwards. So how do we translate this? So to visit your famous institute. Ma'ahadi is institute. Ash-shahir means famous. So I came as a pilgrim. فَاغْتَنَمْتُ هَذِهِ الْفُرْسَةَ. I seized this opportunity. لِزِيَارَتِي, to visit your famous institute. And he says, قِيلَ لِي إنه أحسن معهد لتعليم اللغة العربية لغير ناطقين بها فأحب أن أطلع على مناهج وكتبه. It's a big sentence. We're going to analyze this. قيل. So there's a lot of things happening in this sentence. Inshallah, we should be able to understand everything. So we know قيل is the majhul form from قال يقول أجوف الواوي, which means it is said. So it was said. You can say it's past tense. قيل. It was said to me. إنه. So why do we have inna here? So we know inna, it comes at the beginning of a sentence. And when it comes in the middle, it has to be anna. But we know whenever with qala, the inna is retained. So that's why we have inna. So again, we know inna, it will have harf tawqid wa nasbin. So we have, it is ism and it will have khabar. So we have ismu inna mansubun. This is who. It refers to the institute. And ahsanu is your khabar. So it was said to me, truly it is the best. So ahsanu, what type of word is this here? We're looking at it. It's ismu tafdila, superlative, the best. So truly it is the ahsanu ma'ahadin. Ma'ahadin is a mudaf ilayh. It's the best institute. Li ta'alimi. So li harf jar, ta'alim. So what is this word ta'alim? It comes from what pattern it is. If you remember, it is a masdar. Taf'il, bab taf'il, which form is it? It's form 2. And what is the word? Allama. And the root word is alima. So this is how we go to the root and understand how each word is constructed. So truly, it is one of the best institute for the teaching of what? Ta'limil lughatil arbiyati. For the teaching of the Arabic language. لغير ناطقين بها. So again, li harf jar, the ghairi is here, some majroor. And what is natiqina? So here natiqina is your ism fa'il. So nataqa is one who utters or one who speaks. Ghayri, nataqa means one who cannot speak or cannot utter. So for the people who cannot speak. So natiqina, how did we get natiqina? So natiqun is the singular and natiquna is jama mudhakkar salim marfu form, and here we are looking at the majroor. So mansub and majroor will be natiqina, natiqina. So it is said to me, truly it is one of the best institute for the education, for the learning of Arabic language for the people who cannot speak with it. So لِغَيْرِ نَاطِقِينَ بِهَا. So ha refers to the lughatun here. فَأُحِبُّ. So therefore this fa is coming as a reason. So this is what the first condition is, that it was truly the best institute. So therefore فَأُحِبُّ, I love to. So ahabba. So what form is this? Form 4. But hamza comes in the beginning. Ahabba. Yuhibbu. So yuhibbu, tuhibbu, uhibbu, nuhibbu. So I love. So therefore I love. So an attala'a. So an attala'a. So what is this? Masdar al muawwal. So an followed by fa'al mansoob, which means, so attala'a is to acquaint or to know or to get familiarize. So I would love to familiarize. So this is how it is. So an attala is coming as a maf'ulun bihi fi mahalli nasbin for the fa'al uhibbu. So attala, it always comes with ala. So I would love to familiarize with, so you can translate as with ala manahij. Manahij means curriculum. Manahijihi means its curriculum. So I would like to familiarize myself with its curriculum. Wa kutubihi, and its book. And its books. So its kutubi is plural, books. So if you go again, قيل لي إنه أحسن معهد لتعليم اللغة العربية لغير ناطقين بها فأحب أن أطلع على مناهجه وكتبه. So now hopefully you should be able to completely understand this sentence, how it is constructed. So this brings to the end of our class 23. So just try and write and practice how to make ism fa'il, ism maf'ul from the salim verbs, from the ajwaf, from naqis, both al-wawi and al-ya'i, from mahmuz, and what are the changes that take place. The more we write and practice, the more stronger we get. We're going to continue the conversation in our next class and do some more exercises. Until then, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.